This is a video for model YT98H fixed single and multi-gas detector. This model is IECEx ATEX EMC certified and with non-contact magnetic wand design, allowing it to use in hazardous area. YT98H device is with standard filter for sensor protection, a remote control or magnetic wand for settings. Its housing is made by durable aluminum. Protection grade is IPv6, IP67, with standard real-time displays. There are alarm fault indicators to tell detector status. It supports up to 6 gas types in one device, and with internal pump. When detecting H2 and H3, such kind of lightweight gases, no need to install it at top, much saving the installation labor costs. Its response time and accurate performance is very good because its sensor and electronic components are imported from world-famous brands. Its display is color LCD displays for easier operation. It integrates 3-wire 4 to 20 mA analog. RS485 Modbus signal output support connection to different kinds of systems, with standard relay to control external devices such as horns, alarm lights, fans, etc. With the optional RS485 USB converter and PC software, support data monitor, data analyze, and data export on computer. It also supports wireless connections for easier data access remotely. If you're interested in our product, contact us.